Hi guys! This is what we had done from the last video, and now we are going to be putting this big wall up using 3 wall jacks. Here are the 3 wall jacks, and we are going to put the wall up. First, we will slide the wall jacks under the wall, and then we will start putting the wall up. The wall jacks are very handy because each one of them can lift 500 pounds. If you have 1 or 2 people working on the same kind of house as us and you need to lift the walls up, you should use wall jacks, or you could put the walls up without the shitting on and then put the shitting on after, but it would be harder and the shitting is heavy. And if you need wall jacks, you can buy some for $100 on the marketplace, or you can rent some for also the same $100. We keep checking that the wall jacks are straight and the wall is going up on all sides at the same time, so that all of the wall jacks are doing some work and the wall goes up better. We have gotten a lot of the wall done, so we are going to tie it with a rope so that it cannot fall off the second floor of the house. We have almost gotten the wall up, and we also put stoppers so that when we are putting it up, it wouldn't fall and it would just slide up and not off the second floor. We have gotten the wall up, and now we are just making sure it is all straight and secure, and we will come back the next day and make another wall. Right now I am drawing where the studs are going to be connecting the two pieces of wood for the wall, and then we are going to attach the studs in between these two pieces of wood I'm drawing on. We have laid out all of the studs, and now my dad is attaching the shitting, and Dennis is watching my parents work. Dennis has gotten tired of waiting for my parents to make the wall, but once we are done making the wall, then Dennis can help lift it up. For this wall, we are using 2 wall jacks, and me and Dennis are going to start lifting it up. After the wall got higher up, Dennis couldn't reach the wall jack, so now me and my dad are lifting the wall up, and then once we have gotten it higher, my mom and my dad will do it together. We brought ladders so it would be easier to keep lifting the wall up, and we have stoppers so that the wall does not fall off the second floor. have gotten the wall up. Now we are going to make sure it is all straight and secure. And thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!